material master first. MM02, enter, material is this, press enter key, and let's take the quality management view. Plant is 171001. It is good receipts against the purchase order. Once the purchase order is created, then we do the MIGO, and then the lot gets triggered in 01 case, right? Whereas in 0101, when lot will get triggered after a purchase order has been created, because the inspection will be done at the vendor's end. Okay, so one more transaction need to be executed so that the lot should get triggered, and then after inspection, then we will do the meeting. Goods are received after the inspection has been done. Okay, because at the vendor end only we are doing the inspection. 0101 before the good receipt. Here, to click on inspection type, let me activate 0101 inspection type also here in this. So click on activate and then click on details. Information, okay, preferred to be selected. Post to inspection stock is indicator is checked, okay, and it is giving me the warning that I should select this. I'm not selecting this, okay. Continue, and here procurement data. So it is relevant for the procurement. When I'm procuring it at that time, if I want to control few things, then this part is used for that. So you will be selecting QM in procurement. When I select CQ, this indicator, and press enter key, or if I try to save it, it will give me the error message. Enter the control key, which is mandatory once you check this indicator. Let me select say released, means that vendor should be released. Okay, any master data which we are using, normally it should be in the release dates, which is 0001. Let's save it. Continue. And now I have to create another master data, which is QI07, enter. Quality info record, which is used at the time of procurement with a combination of material, supplier, and plant. This is my supplier, okay, and material. Press enter key. We have maintained that need the vendor should be released. Till what date I can buy the material from this particular vendor? That period I will be telling. Okay. From this vendor, suppose I am saying till 16th I can buy 1 week period. Okay. So you have to tell the date period. In the control inspection control tab, here click on this. You will be selecting 0101. Okay. So, which is source inspection. And here you will select this indicator that once the inspection has been done at the vendor place, no further lot should get triggered. Once I do the MIGO, okay. Let me save this. Try to create another purchase order. ME21N enter. And the vendor 06 only now. 506. You will just fill the same information once again. And then save it. PO is created. This is the number. To trigger this 0101 lock, source का trigger करने one transaction which we run action QI07. Okay, here you will be entering your material and plant is 1710 and click on execute. This is the just now which we have created. That entry is there because if I scroll to the right, supplier is this. So far I have just created a purchase order. Okay. And I haven't done the Migo. Click on this, create inspection lot, and then click on save. That line item has been removed. Now if I go to my QA32 and refresh it, one lot is created, right? Lot is in created state. If go to the inspection lot, and here you can see the inspection type is 0101. To the inspection specification, it is searching for the usage of 51. That's why it was not linked, because we don't have a plan with the usage of 51. So either you will be creating another plan with the usage of 51 so that it should get automatically linked, or at present I can make the changes here only as the usage of 5 and then click on this so that I can manually assign this. Okay. And then in this, we can click on sample so that the sample size should be calculated, and then save it. It is in the release state. And okay. So now let me do the result recording for this. Let me directly do the usage decision here. I'm not doing it. Inspect it and then direct usage decision. Okay, when you haven't done the result recording, okay, then you will get this message. You have not completed all the characters. Done the result recording for this, and this message will come. You are doing the force inspection completion, and I can click on yes, I want to still do it. Okay, so you can select the appropriate code. Here you can see in 01 there was a stock relevant tab, right? But here, even if I have selected that indicator, that tab is not coming. Again, if I check the stock, okay, my lot is already there in the quality. So far, I haven't completed my usage decision, right? For this. But if I refresh this, it is showing me 15 quantity in this. And this is, I think, for the 05, not for this one. Okay. And this another 15 is coming on order stock. Okay. Let's complete the usage decision and let me save this. Okay. Now if I refresh it, it will be completed. Okay. And now if I check my stock and refresh it, still it is here. Okay. Now I will do my Migo. Good receipts this time against my purchase order, and you will be telling the purchase order number. Enter. The moment type is 101. Okay. Click on item. Okay. You can see it is showing me in the quality. Check it. Post it. Normally, what happens is that once you do the Migo, the lot will get triggered, right? If I refresh it, no new lot is created after doing the Migo for the 01. Whereas if 01 is also activated, right, in the material, and 0101 is also activated in the material. Once the 0101 inspection has been done and we have checked this indicator, that's why the lot is not triggered. Whereas if I uncheck this and run the same cycle, after Migo also one lot will get triggered. Save it. I have done the changes that I have made it source inspection. This indicator unchecked, which means the lot will again get triggered once 0101 is already done. But after Migo, lot will also get triggered for 01. Okay. We have completed it now. Refresh it. See, that 15 quantity now is coming here after Migo. It was not in the quality. And this 15 is the previous lot which is created. Is for the 05. Let me clear this also so that we get the clarity. In 05, of course, it is stock element. Save it. and then refresh it, it is inspected. And now if I check my stock, then this 15 quantity of 0.5 lot will move to unrestricted. Nothing is there in the quality. 02 enter. In the material, I think both are activated, right? Let me cross check this. 01 is activated plus 0101 both are activated. And creating a purchase order against this same, you will just enter the same information once again. Say 21, little bit different quantity. Okay, and then save it. So now I will trigger my source inspection log. We will use this transaction, which is QI07. Let me come out of it. In the initial screen, you will be telling your material, plant. Okay, and then you click on execute. So this is the line item. Select this and then click on create inspection log. And then save it. Okay. So now if I check in QA32 report and then refresh it, new lot is created. Again, it isn't created because my plan is not there for the usage of 51. So I am manually assigning my plan. So you will be telling the usage, click on task list and specification in the sample. Sample is 0, okay? Still it will be in the created state. If I save it, okay, and refresh it, it is still in created state because the sample is not calculated. So you also have to click on sample button so that the sample should be calculated. Okay, and then save it. Again, I'm not doing my result recording, doing the usage decision. Okay, and of course it is a post UD that we are not entering the result, doing directly usage decision. Okay, it is here again, stock tab is not coming. Let's check the stock in the report. Okay, so let me refresh it. It is in the on order stock 21. Let's complete the UD and then save it. Now if I refresh it, it is this. UD has been done. Let's do the Migo. Migo. So this time good receipts against the purchase order. Purchase order number is, I think, 13 now. And moment type is 101, right? And here you can see it's in quality showing me. Select item OK, click on check once, and then post it. Okay, because the document is okay. Now let's check the report. If I refresh it, this time the lot will get triggered. Last time it was not triggered, remember? But this time, because I have done my Migo, if I check my stock report, this 21 quantity before Migo was here. If I refresh it, it will come in the quality, right? Because 01 lot is created, right? So if I refresh it here, again the lot is created. Why? Because in the quality info record, I have said that even after doing my 0101 inspection, again 01 lot is triggered because this is not checked. So this indicator, if you don't want the further lot to be created, you will check this indicator. If you uncheck it, the new lot will get triggered. And again, you will be doing the result recording and the usage decision. If you check the lot, this is a 01 lot this time. Okay, not the 0101 lot. It's in release state because my plan 2 exists with the usage of 5. Right? My sample is calculated for this and I can do the usage decision directly again because you have kept the sample size very big. So let me forcefully add this. Then this time here it is stock relevant. You can see I have to tell here to be posted where, and then click on save. Now, if I refresh it, it will be green, right? So usage decision has been done, and if I check here and refresh it, 21 will move here.